Good day guys, welcome. In this video I'll show you how to add a second location to your Google Business profile. So now guys, when you type in Google Business, as you can see under the official website of business, you have your businesses right over here on the bottom under your profile. And now guys, you can just choose to view your business. So for example, I'm going to choose this test business that I've created. So press on view profile. All right, and in here, guys, you will have this little interface with your address of a business, hours closed and open, etc., etc. In here, you need to click on Edit Profile, and as you can see, guys, we have the service area. So I have just a sample service area here inserted. So you just click on this field right over here. If you want to add a second one, or basically maybe change your address. And as you can see, now we have the search for the area where we can just search for a certain location and add it once more. Or you can just, for example, use suggested service areas. I'm just going to click on the one presented in here. Right, and now as you can see, we have more than one location serviced, right? So we have the one on the left and on the right. So and you can, if you have like an expanded big business, you can just insert various location, maybe even within one city, right? You can add different addresses so that people can know where you're, basically providing your services. And you can add as many as you want, depending on the side of your business. And after that, you just click on Save. And as you can see, now the service areas are updated and they are changed. And now we have 2 of them in here. So that's pretty much how you add another address, guys. Pretty simple. Enjoy guys. If this helped you out in any way, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.